How to create a business portfolio in Facebook or Meta. So first you want to head to facebook.com and make sure you're signed in, and then you want to click on your profile logo and select the page that you want to create a portfolio for. Click on see all profiles and select the page that you want to work with, and it should load up this page right here. Then you want to click on Meta Business Suite. Now on the top left hand side you want to click on your page name right here for the drop down, and as you can see there is an option to create a business portfolio, so click on it, and then you want to fill out all these informations. Now once you hit create, you'll be taken to this page right here where you can select your Facebook page, which is this one, and then click on next, and after clicking confirm you should wait for it, and like that your business portfolio has been created. Now if you go to this drop down right here on the top left and click on it, you should see your business portfolio right here under business portfolios. So if you click on it and then click on the business page or your page, and then you want to click on this business settings icon, and this should open up the business page or portfolio settings. And from here you can manage anything about your business, basically like inviting users and controlling partners and system users. Now if you go to the pages section here, you will be able to link your Facebook pages to this business portfolio, which you can see I have already did for my test page right here. You can also click on add and add an existing page or create a new one. And you can also manage the ad accounts and business asset groups and apps, etc. You can also manage or add Instagram accounts and WhatsApp accounts, which will allow you to manage different accounts just from your business portfolio. And that's pretty much it for the basics for business portfolios in Meta or Facebook. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.